What's up, Fit Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm gonna kind of go over what's the current status of me and the channel and everything is right now. I do apologize for the noise. The neighbor's house is being built over there, so everybody's kind of working right now. I'm probably gonna be starting. My videos in this angle from now on, since I just got the new house, if you haven't seen the last video. But let's go ahead and talk about the channel. So I am planning to get back in the groove, so I'll be doing a lot more in terms of content. I'm going to be going back out eventually, not right away, because one of the next things I'm going to do is get rid of the Ultima. Well, I'm still not 100% sure on that, but it will be going back to stock, even if I don't get rid of it. So the suspension will be stock, wheels will be stock. I do have another set I can throw on there, but it'll be stock at least for a while, and it might just be a daily. And I do plan to hopefully pick up another car, and I don't know if it's going to be a week or two, but definitely planning on making an upgrade here pretty soon. I still haven't fully decided exactly what I'm getting just yet, and it's kind of wild to be this close to getting something new and not really knowing what I'm getting yet, but I'm still looking. Of course, the new Z is still on my mind, but I'm not paying that markup, so most likely that's out. I've been looking at BMW. Want to get into the M340i. Been looking at those. If I did that, I would definitely be getting rid of the Ultima. And the Q50 and Q60 is kind of what I'm looking at. I think I'm leaning more towards the Q50 or Q60. Not 100% sure. If I keep the Ultima, most likely it'll be a Q60, but I don't know just yet. I'm going to test drive a few and kind of go from there. But I was thinking about it. I was going to do the whole house tour and everything, but I'm like, my last video was 30 minutes of the house, so you pretty much got the gist of what the house itself is, and don't have everything set up still because we have so much stuff in there. So I'm not really going to focus on the house right now, but I'll be doing some house renovations. Well, not renovations, but house, I guess you say renovations. Gonna put the fence up, and then we're gonna do something with the backyard so we can have parties and stuff there. May do a garage on the side because we got a lot of space over there, but that will be a lot later if that does come. But I definitely would like to do that so we can have more cars, more rooms for cars, because right now we can fit like 4 cars here and then 2 in the garage once that's cleared out. So we're gonna be working with some stuff here. So it's definitely an exciting time to be part of the Fitted Squad, so definitely stay tuned for that. Speaking of Fitted Squad, I'm going to be relaunching the brand itself. I'll be sharing more details here pretty soon, but just stay tuned because it's going to be some new merch, but also it's going to be kind of a movement I'm about to start, so definitely be ready for that. But once I start getting back out there, you're gonna know. We're gonna be having a lot of events locally. Gonna link up with some people, probably in Georgia as well. Definitely plan to take the new car to Georgia and link up with the homies. It might not be while it's still cold. It might be once it starts to warm up. So just be ready for all of the content coming. And I know I've been gone for a while, but it was definitely the house taking a lot of my time, focus, and energy. So that's really what's been going on. Yeah, but the content itself, I think my next video maybe the car going back to stock. I don't know. I might do a video before then. We'll see. But yeah, definitely like to thank you all for rocking with me for all this time, especially with me not uploading. And thank you to all of you who have been reaching out to me to kind of just checking on me, see how I was doing, make sure everything was good. I really do appreciate it. And y'all keep sending the questions and just random comments. Best way would be, well, if you can leave a comment, of course, but on Instagram, I definitely get those messages. So I'm not big to the point where I can't respond to everybody, so I'm still good. So yeah, but yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much. Just kind of want to give you guys a state of where we're at and what's going on. But before we end this one, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to. And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you could be next. So thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.